Over a plethora of years, I've started seeing a lot of guys growing their beard out. And whether you're one of the ones that have very little progress, or maybe you're starting to have like a little small non-connecting beard, you're starting to see hair grow in places you never had before. Or maybe you're part of the crowd that actually grew a very successful beard and now your beard is flourishing. Regardless of who you are, I want you all to watch this video, because this video is gonna show you how to get a fuller, thicker, healthier beard. Let's get into it. The first thing I'd advise anybody who wants to grow their beard out is to get a dermaroller. You see, when you use a dermaroller, it creates these little small tears in your skin. And when your body sends nutrients to fix those tears, one of the side effects of it is hair growth. And that's how the dermaroller helps grow your beard. I suggest using a dermaroller once a week over all of your weak spots, but no more than once a week. And if you want to know more about how a dermaroller can help your beard growth, make sure you watch my dermaroller beard growth video right here or right here, somewhere. But the last thing I'll say about dermarolling is it's not a grow a beard overnight scheme. You're gonna have to stay consistent weeks, months, even a year or so. But I promise you, over time, you will see your beard make progress. So it's not perfection you're aiming for, but progress. And eventually that progress will leave you with a very healthy beard that you're proud of and that your girl doesn't ask you to cut off anymore. The very next tip I have for you guys who wanna grow a thicker, healthier, fuller beard is to start brushing your beard. And I know, before I had a beard, somebody who had a beard told me to start brushing my non-existent beard. I looked at him like, why would I do that? I don't understand. Why would I ever brush a beard that doesn't connect? What are you talking about, man? Well, let me let you in on a secret that only the people who have beards know. When you see guys walking around and they have these thick, full beards, you assume that their hair is thick throughout their beard. And in reality, it's oftentimes not. Sometimes your hair is really thick in some places on your face and really thin in others. And the people who look like they have a full beard have actually just mastered brushing and hiding their weak spots. So if you were to look right here, I got one of those weak spots right here, but as my beard gets thicker and I keep brushing, you can't even see it. And it looks like I have a really full beard. So if you're somebody whose beard doesn't connect, make sure you grow out the areas that are thick and keep brushing. And over time, you'll be able to hide your weak spots too. Next tip. And also, brushing your beard also is another form of exfoliation. And we'll get into that on the very next tip. Now, one of the weirdest things about growing a beard is what happens when you cut some of it off. You see, a lot of us, when we start trying to grow a beard, the beard doesn't exactly grow in the places that we want. You might be aiming for more hair on your face and you might end up with more hair on your neck. And when you start cutting off the hair that grows in undesirable places, usually what accompanies it is a couple razor bumps. Razor bumps are basically ingrown hairs that every man who has ever had a beard or facial hair has experienced and still probably struggle with to this day. So one thing I'm gonna recommend to you guys, regardless of what stage you're at, is to invest in some type of exfoliator, but not necessarily the type that you might see a girl use, the type of mask exfoliator. I'm gonna tell you guys to use, I suggest using a sugar scrub. You see, a sugar scrub is a type of cream that has these little rough particles, like little small rocks. And I don't actually use it directly on my face, but I use it right up under my chin, right up under my neck, where the worst razor bumps usually go. And the thing with sugar scrub is those small little rock particles actually create just enough friction as you're washing them and rubbing them up against your skin to pop the bumps, move the bumps, and take away all that dead extra skin that actually cover the ingrown hair. And by removing that dead skin, not only do you remove the ingrown hairs, the painful ingrown hairs, you also unblock hair follicles, which allow thicker and fuller hair. So if you got razor bumps, sugar scrub should be your best friend. Now, one of the things that guys with these really big beards are good at, that they always talk about, is shampooing and conditioning their beards. I see tons of commercials on beard products where people are just rubbing this shampoo and conditioner through these big, thick beards. But then seeing a lot of these advertisements and seeing a lot of these products, what I would advise you guys to do is not only shampoo and condition your beards, but make sure when you shampoo and condition your beards, you do not use beard products. I know that sounds crazy, right? And although all beard products are not built the same, most beard products still have a lot of those very, very unhealthy ingredients that I've told you before on this channel not to use on your hair. Things like silicones, things like parabens, things like dangerous sulfates. None of those do you want going on your head hair, and none of those do you want going on your face. And truth be told, the hair on your face is much, much more sensitive than the hair on your scalp. So if it's not okay for you to use on your scalp, it's probably not okay for you to use on your face. So what I like to do is use a lot of the hair products I use on my hair on my face. So you already know the Rich Royal shampoo, I use it to wash my beard. The Royal Hydration Treatment by Rich Royals, I use it to condition my beard. And my beard looks so dark and so rich and so full of moisture because I'm using some very rich products instead of the 14-in-1 beard products they try to sell us men. As a man, when you go on these shelves in Target, they don't think we care about ourselves. So they're willing to sell us anything. They look at us like cavemen, Neanderthals, somebody who doesn't care about the quality of the products, but they just want the cheapest deal. The $3 14-in-1 shampoo slash conditioner slash deep conditioner slash lather upper slash lotion. That's what they think of us. We're not going for it. Not anymore. Moving on. And the very last thing I would suggest for using your beard is probably the most popular thing, the most popular method for developing a beard. Any beard growth video you watch on YouTube will include this topic, this method. Use oil. Oil will help your beard grow. Why? Because of the blood flow that it brings to your face. Now, not all oils are built the same. Some oils are meant more so to seal in moisture. You know, some oils are like carrier oils. They're more free and fluid. And then you have some oils that are a little bit denser, a little bit thicker. Some oils that are more antimicrobial. They're more so antifungal. They're cleansing oils. I prefer to use cleansing oils. Things like peppermint, things like tea tree, and even rosemary oil. Why? Because those ensure the health of your beard. You know, the skin under your face as well as your beard. And not only that, but peppermint oil specifically makes sure to get rid of all those nasty, pesky razor bumps. So if you use the peppermint oil and a sugar scrub of your choice, you'll be sure to get clean and clear of a lot of those razor bumps or prevent them in the first place. So if you use peppermint oil and the sugar scrub, you're probably gonna get rid of most of those razor bumps you're experiencing, or you're just gonna prevent yourself from having them in the first place, you know? So once again, you guys, if you're looking for a dermaroller and you're not sure which one you should get, I like the 0.5, and you can always get it at richroyals.com. The Rich Royals dermaroller is cool ass fire dermaroller you probably won't get anywhere else. You can get it here at richroyals.com. And make sure you guys go back and watch that how dermaroller helps your beard grow video. And make sure you cop that sugar scrub. The Amazon link should be somewhere down at the bottom. And with that being said, that's all for this video. Peace.